Hello and welcome. This is Nasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about rotate faces command and color faces command. So let's get started. So these two commands are in solid editing group. I will just click here on this drop down arrow and you can see the next command here is rotate faces. So this command is used for rotate any face of any object. Okay, so I will click here to activate this one. Now it is asking about select a face. So I will just select this face. For example, I want to rotate this one and I will hit enter. Now it is asking about specify an axis point. So I have to just give an axis point. Okay, so first I will give this point and then I will give this point. Now it is asking about rotation angle. So I will just give here a 30-degree of angle and I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to rotate on 30-degree angle. Okay, now I will just press escape to come out of command. Now what if I just want to rotate in this direction? I will just press Ctrl plus Z for undo. Again I will go here and I will select this command. I will just click this face and I will hit enter. Now I will just select this point first and this point second. Okay, I will hit enter. Now I will just give 30-degree of angle and I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to rotate on this direction. So I will just press escape key to come out of command. So this is the process to rotate any face of any object. Okay, let's see the next command. I will just press Ctrl plus Z. Okay, and I will go here and I will select realistic view from here. Okay, now let's see what is color faces option. I will click on this drop down arrow and I will select this color faces. For example, I want to just color this face up. Okay, so I will just click on this face. I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to open color dialog box. Now you can just select any of the color from here. For example, I want this color here and I will click OK. Now you can see this face is going to colored. Again I will just press escape key. I will go here and I will select again this command. I will select this face, for example. Okay, I will hit enter and I can choose any of the color from here and I will hit enter. So these were two commands. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.